Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Doctor's Choice Aesthetics podcast. I'm Dr. Alicia, your go-to aesthetic medicine specialist, and today we're diving into a topic that's not just exciting, it's downright transformative. We're talking about PDRN, or Polydeoxyribonucleotide. Now, I know that's a mouthful, but trust me, by the end of this episode, you'll be as obsessed with it as I am. And to help us unpack this fascinating topic, I have a very special guest with me today. He's not just a practice development consultant at Kleos Healthcare. He's also someone who knows how to make science sound, dare I say, sexy. Please welcome Dr. Soothen to the show. Welcome to today's podcast, where we dive into the world of advanced aesthetic treatments. We have a special guest today, Dr. Soothen, a leading expert in PDRN. Thanks for joining us, Dr. Soothen.
It's great to be here. I'm excited to talk about this groundbreaking treatment that's been creating quite the buzz in the aesthetic world.
Absolutely. Before we dive deep into PDRN, let's start with a basic question. What exactly is PDRN, and why is it getting so much attention in aesthetic medicine?
PDRN, or Polydeoxyribonucleotide, is a compound extracted from salmon DNA. Now, don't worry, it won't make you smell like fish. What makes it special is its ability to promote tissue regeneration by working at the cellular level.
Fascinating. So you're saying PDRN helps to rejuvenate the skin from within?
Exactly. It's like giving your skin a repair kit, helping with skin texture, elasticity, and hydration. It's truly nature's way of revitalizing the skin.
I love that analogy. Nature's repair kit. How exactly does it work on a cellular level? What's going on beneath the surface?
PDRN works by activating adenosine receptors, which are essential for tissue repair. This triggers a series of healing responses in the body. Think of it like hitting the reset button on your skin.
That's incredible. It sounds like more than just improving appearance. It's about real healing. Can clinics benefit from offering PDRN treatments as well?
Absolutely. For patients, it's a game changer, improving skin texture and hydration, and it's versatile enough for mesotherapy, microneedling, or injectables. For clinics, it's a high-demand treatment that's easy to integrate and offers visible results, which keeps patients coming back.
So this is a treatment that not only helps patients look their best, but also keeps them coming back. That's key for clinics, right?
Exactly. It creates a loyal patient base and allows clinics to charge a premium, boosting their revenue. It's a win-win.
Speaking of clinics, with so many PDRN products on the market, how do they choose the right supplier? Why should they choose Kleos Healthcare?
Great question. Kleos Healthcare offers high-quality PDRN products backed by research, safety, and efficacy standards. Our formulations provide consistent results, and we offer comprehensive support from training to marketing.
That's a big deal. Having that level of support really sets Kleos Healthcare apart. But tell me more about the type of support clinics can expect when working with you.
We don't just supply the product, we offer training to ensure proper usage, patient education materials, and even marketing assistance to help clinics succeed. It's all about helping them maximize their investment.
It's clear that Kleos Healthcare goes beyond just providing a product. You're a true partner in helping clinics thrive. Before we wrap up, any last thoughts for our listeners?
Absolutely. If you want to elevate your practice and offer a proven high-demand treatment, PDRN is the way to go. It delivers real results for patients and significant growth for clinics. Partnering with Kleos Healthcare ensures you're getting top-tier products and full support.
Thank you, Dr. Soothen, for sharing your expertise. For any clinics interested in adding PDRN to their offerings, I highly encourage you to explore Kleos Healthcare's products. Visit kleoshealthcare.com for more info. And if you're in Idaho, don't hesitate to reach out to Dr. Soothen directly.
Thanks, Dr. Alicia. For those ready to take their practice to the next level with cutting-edge technology, we'd love to help you get started.
Well, that wraps up our very first podcast. I hope you enjoyed learning about PDRN and all the incredible ways it can transform your practice and your patients' lives. Stay tuned because we have so much more exciting content coming your way and other fantastic guests like Dr. Soothen to give you the skinny on what's up and up in the world of aesthetics. And don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Subscribers will have the chance to win some fantastic Kleos Healthcare swag. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on that. Doctor's Choice Aesthetics is proud to represent Kleos Healthcare's revolutionary products, and we're here to help you bring the best in advanced aesthetic care to your patients. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time